天灾无情，亲像英国即礼拜天气无好，先落雪，一若雪扬起了后，又搁咧落大雨，即嘛是真侪所在咧做大水。
英国落雪，为一礼拜前就开始，温度继续伫0度左右，其中部分地区也落大雨，甲尤其的雪同齐变做大水，造成全国同时出现冰雪甲大水灾两种警报。环境局指出，全国总计有150外个所在将会继续发生大水灾，铁路也受影响，几啊条的路线已经停驶。
No, but it's absolutely horrific. I've borrowed a jacket because it's just horrible. I've just seen someone's umbrella turn inside out. Mortifying, couldn't be me. So yeah, it's just about being prepared, but it's horrible.
英格兰东南方是有一个拖车后停车场已经完全浸伫水内。
It's not usually come up as high as it has this year, and it has come up quick, over a short period of time, which is obviously not done us any favours when you look behind.
饮水互民众真艰苦，也毋过伫英格兰中部的莱斯特郡，所有民众伫河水淹的道路上装储水泵。目前当地已经发布重大灾害事件警报，至少有160件大水相关的案件，已经救援59名受困的民众。公视新闻由派准编译。